Teachers again reject proposed compensation package. Saint Anne woman kidnapped, beaten, left for dead. 2 men arrested as cops seize gun during St. James operation. Cops find assault rifles in abandoned building. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The government's wage offer for educators was rejected by Jamaica Teachers Association delegates on Wednesday after a high-level meeting at the Macquarie University College in St. Andrew ended with the union voting against the proposal. Police in St. Anne are probing a suspected case of kidnapping after a woman was forcibly taken from her home on Tuesday night. Police stated that the woman, who is from Ocho Rios, was kept for more than 12 hours, mercilessly beaten, and thrown into a garbage bin where she was left for dead. It was reported that around 10 p.m., the 28-year-old woman was at home when a man entered and used a cloth bag to cover her face from behind. She reportedly did not get a chance to look at her attacker, who took her into a waiting motor car. The police also stated that the man took her to an abandoned house in the Brownstown area of the parish, where he beat her non-stop, causing swelling to the left side of her face and cuts all over her body. While beating her, the police stated that the men kept asking her about the whereabouts of her boyfriend. She was left in an abandoned house until around 12:30 p.m. Wednesday, when the man took her out and threw her into a garbage bin outside. She was assisted to the Brownstown police station by a passerby. Investigators later discovered that the woman's boyfriend is in police custody after being charged with a recent larceny incident. A team of officers assigned to the St. James Police Division seized 2 assault rifles and 21 assorted rounds of ammunition during a joint police-military operation on Rough Road in Salt Springs, St. James on Tuesday. According to a release from the Corporate Communications Unit, about midday, lawmen conducted a targeted raid at an abandoned building on Rough Road. During a search of the building, 2 M16 assault rifles and a magazine containing 6 5.56 rounds and 5 9mm rounds of ammunition were found. The police stated that no arrest was made in relation to the seizure. The St. James Police seized a Smith & Wesson .40 pistol with a magazine containing 1 .40 cartridge during an operation in Mount Salem on Wednesday, March 8. 2 men were arrested in connection with the seizure. A day earlier, police in another section of the parish seized a Glock 43 Gen 4 pistol with a magazine containing 8 rounds in Rose Heights. No one was held in that raid.